Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, my dear students, parents, and friends. Sharda University wishes all Nigerian national and friends a very happy 62nd Independence Day. It gives us immense pleasure to host this magnificent day on the timeline of global events. We honor the spirit of nationality, patriotism, and unity among the diverse cultures of Nigeria. Nigeria and India have strong traditional, historical, cultural, and commercial relations. We both are partners in progress, as in India, we believe in the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means world is one family. The world is here.
Happy 62nd Independence, Nigeria. Think cultural diversity, think Nigeria. Where are you?
Hello, fellow Nigerians. I'm glad to use this opportunity to congratulate us in celebrating our 62nd Independence Day. And also, I would like to use this opportunity given to us by Sharda University in celebrating Nigeria as 62nd. The world is here. Where are you?
Muna taya Najeriya ƙasarmu murnar shiga shekara 62. Kuma muna wa Sharda godiya da yadda ta taimaka akan yadda muke samun karatu. Sannan 'yan Najeriya kuna ina, ko kuma in ce 'yan duniya kuna ina ga mu a Sharda.
Namaste. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here we are, Sharda University, Greater Noida, India. We are here to rejoice with Nigeria and Nigerians on the 62 Independence Day celebration. Nigeria, happy independence, and wishing Nigeria all the best.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Namaste. I'm here to celebrate Nigerian 62nd Independence Day. I'm here to thank Sharda University for the opportunity to celebrate Nigeria and in Africa entirely happy Nigerian independence.
Namaste, ekenem di Igbo niile na-ege anyị ntị. Anyị kenekwere Sharda, anyị wohoro ọma na-ekene Sharda maka mwepụta ha wepụtara maka ịṅụrị ọṅụ maka okike kere Nigeria dịka fa na-agbọ arọ 62 na October 1st. Daalụ ọfụma, happy independence, bravo Sharda, bravo Nigeria.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. The world is here. Where are you?
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. We love Nigeria. We love Sharda University. The world is here. Where are you?